I'm Nova, here to take you on an unforgettable journey through the most epic innovation toolbox you've ever seen. These tools aren't your average gadgets. They're the secret sauce that turns wild ideas into real-world magic. Initiate. Ask the right questions to define your challenge and rally your team like never before. Investigate. Dive deep into the minds of your audience and uncover hidden gems of insight. Ideate. Embrace disruptive thinking and let your imagination soar. We're talking about ideas that'll blow minds and redefine the possible. Activate. Navigate obstacles like time, bosses, and budgets with ninja-like precision. Execute ideas efficiently and take them to market. And check out this tool, What If, where rules are made to be broken and innovation reigns supreme. Are you ready to innovate and take the world by storm with my Innovation Toolkit?